Hi everyone! I hope you are having a good day and thank you for watching my video. If you're here for the first time, my name is Nicole. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes, how to prepare chicken thighs, and these are also with skin. So we're gonna have crispy skin, and then at the end we're going to use the juice from the chicken to create a beautiful cream sauce. As for the side dish, you can eat it with potatoes, you can definitely serve it with pasta, or you can use rice. I'm using this blend of purple, red and brown rice. This one has a little bit more bite to it, so I think it works great with this meal. And without further ado, let me show you how to make this creamy, crispy chicken thighs. Thank you for watching. So I'm gonna be using 5 chicken thighs today. Tap any excess water with a kitchen roll. And now put salt from both sides of the chicken. And salt is the only seasoning we're going to be using. Just make sure you put enough salt so the chicken is nice and salty on the inside too. Now put a little bit of olive oil in the pan and use a pan that you can also put into the oven. Heat it up, and when the oil is preheated, place the chicken in the pan, skin down. And I'm keeping the temperature now between medium and high. And after 3 minutes, the skin has a nice color already, so I'm gonna turn it around. And it's also coming off the pan. If it's not ready, the skin would be sticking to the pan. And now fry the chicken on the other side also for 3 minutes, and that way the juices will get locked in. And I have turned the heat down now to medium. And after another 3 minutes, put piece of butter in the pot, approximately 15 grams. And now put the chicken in the preheated oven and bake it for 35 minutes. And whilst the chicken is baking, cut quarter of a yellow onion into small cubes, and we're gonna use that for the cream sauce. And today I'm also gonna be adding some mushrooms. I already bought these pre-sliced mushrooms. So if you buy whole, just slice the mushrooms. They don't have to be too thin. And we're also gonna be adding it to the sauce. If you don't like mushroom, just skip this step. So after 35 minutes, get the chicken out. And I'm gonna use this silicone handle for the pan handle. It's very easy to burn yourself and forget how hot it is. Get the chicken out on a plate. If you feel like there's too much grease in your pan, you can always get rid of some, but this is absolutely fine. Turn it on again. Add the onion and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 2 minutes, add the mushrooms if you're using them. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit of salt on top of the mushrooms. Saute for about 1 minute. Now I'm going to add half a cup of water, about 150 milliliters of heavy cream. Now add the chicken back in, skin up, and I'm going to continue cooking for another 7 to 10 minutes. So this is one of my favorite chicken thighs recipes. You can see that the skin is super crispy on top still, but then we have this beautiful cream sauce. So I really hope you try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your day. Bye!